would like to invite our VIPs to join us inside the ring. First, I would like to call on Vice Mayor Jojo Sales. Sir, please join us. Vice Mayor Jojo Sales, please join us inside the ring. And I'd like to call on Mayor Tyrone Belonia. Please join us. Mayor Billy Rolando, please join us. And our promoter, Mayor Glenn Duarte. I would like to invite also Governor Taki Bersamin and the main man, Congressman J.B. Bernas. Please join us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome, making his way to the blue corner, April J. Astroboy.
Now it's time for the main event between April J. Abne, the Astro Boy, and Jesse, the Little Giant Espinas.
And now, making his way to the red corner, let's all welcome the Little Giants, Jesse Espinas.
Now the veteran, the Little Giant, regional champion Jesse Espinas making his way to the ring. Now Espinas.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we invite everyone to please rise. Magsitayo po tayo lahat para sa pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Memorial Gymnasium. Bukan sahabat tapatan ng kampiyon, our main event of the evening. 12 rounds of boxing for the vacant IBM Asian Flyweight Championship, sanctioned by the IBM President Darrell Peoples, supervisor at ringside Rex Forrest. Your matchmaker, Rico Santin. This championship bout is presented to you by Solid North Promotions, promoter Mayor Glenn and Duarte of Tayum Abra, in cooperation with Solid North Party List headed by Congresswoman Jean Burris. This is a birthday offering for Congressman J.B. Burris of the Long District of Abra. Ladies and gentlemen, the ring positions at ringside from Abra Provincial Hospital, Marlon Gonzalez, from La Paz District Hospital, Dr. Paul Merrill Chan. Ladies and gentlemen, the three judges for this contest is calling this bout on the temple month system will be Hilco, Antonio Copia, and Oliver Garcia. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action inside the ring, Alfie Japoso. And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing red with yellow trim, weighing 112 pounds, he's the former OPBF Silver Flyweight Champion, with a professional records of 15 wins, 6 wins coming by way of knockout, 1 loss, and 1 bout even. He hails from Matikau, Misamis Oriental. Tonight, he represents the ARQ Sports Boxing Stable of Cebu City. Ladies and gentlemen, April J. Astroboy. And he's opponent across the ring, fighting out the red corner. Tonight, wearing white, also weighing 112 pounds, with a professional records of 24 wins, 14 wins coming by way of knockout with 7 defeats. He is the former mini pro light flyweight champion, the former PBF light flyweight champion, the former PBF light flyweight champion, the former ABF middleweight champion, and the former WBO Oriental light flyweight champion, and now he is the current WBC Asia Super Flyweight champion from Highland and Bokje Boxing Camp. He hails from Osaka City. Ladies and gentlemen, Jesse, the Little Giant
Now everything is set. The moment of truth is here. Jesse Spinas against April J. Abne for the vacant IBF Asia Flyweight title. Here we go.
Alright, I already gave you instructions in your dressing room to obey guidelines at all times, to protect yourself at all times. block touchdowns.
It's time for Abne Espinas. Who will capture the IBF Asia Flyweight title? First round is here. It's Southpaw against Orthodox. Great straight right hander from April J. Abne. Jab downstairs from Espinas. Straight left hander from Espinas, immediately blocked by Abne. Stylistically, it will be a great one. And now Espinas coming forward. Medyo inabot niya doon si Abne. Isang uppercut. Saan natin magiging magandang laban to between April J. Abne and Jess Espinas. Body shatter from Espinas. Great straight right hand downstairs from April J. Abne. Isa tong test para kay Abne na prospect ng ARQ Boxing Stable. And magandang oportunidad to sa kanila na makakuha ng regional title. Exchange. Both guys have their moments. Great one from Espinas. Just with an uppercut and hook. Pero nakaka-counter doon si Abne. Straight left hand from Jesse Espinas. Great right hook. Espinas look sharp. A great start for Jesse Espinas. Abne also looks sharp. So let's see what will be the adjustments of the both corner. Seconds out. We're waiting for the second round. Great start for both fighters. Now round number 2 between Jesse Espinas and April J. Abne. Prospect April J. Abne with that red, black and green trim, while Espinas white and blue. Right now, both guys starting to be careful. Abne with the jab right there. Straight there. And the jab from Espinas. And now Espinas letting his hands go. The little giant letting his fist go right now. Uppercut by Abne. Great left-hander from Espinas. Left hook there from Abne. Great left hook from Abne again. Now right hand for April J. Abne. Espinas trying to come forward, trying to connect with his own punches. Down goes Abne! Espinas scored a second round knockdown. Great right hand from April J. Abne this time. And that will be the end of the second round. So again, big thank you to Mayor Glenn Duarte for bringing this fight and promoting this fight here in Banquet Abra. And this is a birthday offering for Congressman JB Bernos. So thank you again for having this event. Already a knockdown scored by Jesse Espinas earlier in the second round. So let's see what will be the adjustment of both teams. What will be the response of April J. Abne. But there's a great left hand earlier in that moment by Jesse Espinas. Espinas with the combinations. Sumugod na naman doon sa Espinas. Straight by Abne and the body shot by Espinas. Now, body shot by Espinas and the straight by Abne. Now jab by April J. Abne. Straight by Abne again. It's youth against experience. Great exchange again para sa dalawang boksingero. So bakante yung IBF Asia Flyweight title. So mananalo, makukuha nila yung titulo na yon. Great shots from Jesse Espinas. Espinas being patient right now, same as Abne. Great straight from Abne, and now Espinas putting the pressure. Straight by Abne. Great counter, and that will be the end of the third round. So once again, thank you to Solid North for promoting this one. Entering now the fourth round for the vacant IBF Asia Flyweight title. So hindi lang puro power yung dalawang fighter, nagiging technical din sila. Iniintay nila yung tamang pagkakataon para tumama ng suntok. Yun yung maganda. Di lang sila basta banat ng banat, pero they are a thinking fighter. Pareha si Espinas at itong si April J. Abne. So now entering the round 4. Great straight right hand from April J. Abne to start the round. Now Espinas naman ang umabante. Ngayon si Espinas nagpapakawalan ng suntok, pero nag-clinch agad itong si April J. Abne. Straight by Abne. Dalawa yon. Pero now Espinas sumusugod. Great exchange. Straight by Abne. Pero ngayon itong si Jesse Espinas mukhang naghihintay ng pagkakataon makabawi. Now body. Great exchange. Straight again from Abne. Now left hand from April J. Abne finding his range with that right hand. Pero kitang-kita natin yung right hand ni April J. Abne, that is straight right hand is connecting on the head of Jesse Espinas. That is a money shot for Abne. For Espinas, he's trying to find his range right now, trying to come in, just being patient. For Abne, he's piling up some points. Oh, great exchange! It's a good one. Now it's Espinas' turn. Now it's Espinas' turn. Palitan. Trying to bombard Abne. Nakahabol daw si Espinas. Here we go now, round 5. April J. Abne against Jesse Espinas. Little Giant against Astro Boy. Jab there from Espinas. Both guys being cautious. Great exchange. Nakakatama si Espinas, nakakatama si Abne. Great 1-2 from April J. Another straight right. And now it's Espinas who's trying to move forward. Stylistically, this is an entertaining match. This is a great style clash between Abne and Espinas. Great uppercut from Jesse Espinas. Overhand left. And now, Espinas coming forward. Again from Espinas, and now he got Abne. Swing and the miss for Jesse Espinas. It's a great fight. Now it turning out that Espinas getting his range right now. Nakukuha niya kahit paano ngayon ito si April J. Abne. Nakakatama siya ng mga power punches. Straight right under from April J. Abne. Another great straight. But right now, it's Espinas' turn again. Biglang makakabawi si Abne. Sabay biglang pupunta sa naman ito si Espinas. It's a great fight. Great counter. That will be the end of the round. What a fight so far. Entering now the 6th round. Halfway point of the fight. Round number 6 between Espinas and April J. Abne. Great exchange to the body. Great counter from Abne. Pero ngayon si Espinas umaabante. And there's a clinch from April J. Abne. Great straight from Jesse Espinas. Abne is clinching. Straight from Abne. Naghihintay ng pagkakataon ito si Jesse Espinas para pumasok. And now Espinas attacking the body there of April J. Abne. Great shots there from Jesse Espinas. Shot from Jesse again. Left hand from Espinas. Body shot. Now Espinas with his power shots. Great exchange. And now Espinas moving forward again. And there's a clinch. Straight again from Espinas. Straight from Abne. Last 10 seconds. Great counter from April J. Abne. And now Espinas attacking. And that will be the end of the round number 6. 10 rounds ba ito? Entering now the round number 7 between April J. Abne and Jesse Espinas. Jab from Abne. Parehas nag-iingat yung dalawang boksingero. Jab from Espinas. Straight downstairs mula dito kay the Little Giant Jesse Espinas. Straight from Abne. And the swing and the miss from Espinas now. Body shot. And there's shot upstairs from Jesse. Great overhand left from Espinas. Swing and the miss for Abne. Espinas have his moment, but there's a counter from April J. Abne and the left hook from Abne. Great counter from April J. Abne with that left hand. Great exchange. Straight right from Abde, I mean. Espinas inside fighting pero naka-counter din agad si Abne. Ngayon si Espinas sumusuntok. Grabe makasuntok na yun Espinas. Still a pointing shot. Great exchange. And that will be the end of the 7th round. So a big thank you again to Mayor Duarte for promoting this fight, Solid North Promotions, and to Congressman JB Bernos, happy birthday. Sa tingin nyo, sinong lamang? Is it Jessie Espinas or April J. Abne? Entering now the round number 8. Both guys have good moments. So let's see. Round number 8 now. Espinas with a good right hand connection right there. And the great uppercutter from Jessie Espinas. Now, nag-reset si Espinas. Great uppercut and the hook again from Jessie Espinas. Straight up, shot downstairs from Espinas. Great right hook and the body shot there from Espinas again. Straight right hand downstairs from April J. Abne. Jab from Abne. That's a great left hander from Espinas na nakapukaw ng atensyon nito ni April J. Abne. Mukhang nakarecover agad doon si April J. Abne after that hard shot. Straight right hand downstairs from Abne kanina. Great check hook there from Abne. Pero ngayon, oh my goodness! Down goes April J. Abne for the second time in the fight. But he stand out. I think that's a body. Let's see. Now Espinas smelling some blood, and that might do it. That might do it. Jessie Espinas claims the vacant IBF Asia Flyweight title. A crowning moment from the Little Giant. That's a crowning moment.
Maybe once again, Vice Mayor George Gonzalez, Mayor Tyrone Belonia, Mayor Billy Bolano, Mayor Glenn.
And I hope that April J. Abne is alright.
Personally, Congress
I hope he is okay.
Please join us once again for the award. And we call up Pop Salute. Pop Salute, please stand up.
Both guys have their moments, but it's Jesse Espinas who got that victory. So, big congratulations to Jesse Espinas for claiming another regional title. And to April J. Abne, I hope that he is alright right now. The crowning moment is almost there for Jesse, the Little Giant Espinas.
Mayor Emilia Perez, please join us.
And now it's time to crown the new IBF Asia Flyweight Champion. Auka Sports, Pau Salud.
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 2 minutes and 34 seconds of round number 8. We have a winner by a technical knockout, and now the new IBF Asia Flyweight Champion, the Little Giant, Jesse And now, Congressman Jimmy Perez is awarding the championship belt to the winner. And now I'd like to give it to Mr. Paul Salud.
All right, let's have a few words after the photo. All right, again, what a big fight! Palakpakan sa ating pagbago, IBF Asia Flyweight Champion, Jesse Espinas. What a big win! Napakaganda ng panalo mo. Ano masasabi mo sa panalo mo ngayong gabi?
Magandang kasalangan. Unang-unang ng Panginoon. At dito sa promosyon, binigyan ako ng opportunity na kami makatagbay dito sa IBF title. At salamat kay Sir Diego na bigay sa akin na opportunity dito.
Jesse, nakita ko sa simula pa lang ng laban, ang dami mo suntok, ang aggressive mo, at plano mo ba talaga ipapaksakin si April J. Abne?
Hindi ko yung plano na ginawa ko lang yung parang wala ka ng plano para sa akin. performance dahil sa lahat ng ginawa kong training, ginaya ko lahat talaga. Salamat.
Alright, and last word, natitinti mo, natitinti manager mo, nanonood sa lugar ninyo, mga fans mo, anong message mo sa kanila at anong dedication mo?
Ayun, nagpapasalamat ako sa ang supporter ko, si Dr. JC Ayok at Ma'am Joy Ayok na binigay niyo sa akin. Nandito sila kayo Ayok. Salamat talaga. Si Governor dito sa Abra, thank you so much po. Na binigay ng opportunity na nakakita ko sa Abra Kalaban. Salamat. God bless.
Okay, wala po natin natin siya, Jessie Espinas, taas naman. And syempre, none of this would be possible kundi sa ating puting Governor. Kausapin natin, Congressman J.B. Bernas. Salamat po for hosting a boxing event. Sana hindi ito ang last na po masasabi niyo.
This is the first in Abra. Napakagandang entertainment. Ulitin natin to. And of course, Congressman Mansing and Solidar Party List. Ulitin natin to. Definitely ulitin natin. Thank you. Thank you so much sa IBM, sa Games and Amusements Board, sa mga fighter natin, of course, our champion. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat ng pumunta, congratulations sa inyo lahat at nakapanood tayo ng totoong bugbugan inside the ring. Sa mga winners, congratulations sa inyo lahat, mga nanalo. Thank you. And of course, the presence of the newest sensation in Philippine boxing, our next world champion, Wenzo Mindoro. Ang mga bagay. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much sa solid work. Thank you very much. Bugbugan sa Abra. We'll be back. Salamat po.
Pinapasalamatan ko rin ang mga abogado